How to send money from Binance to Neteller. Log into your Binance account and complete any required security verification. Go to your Binance wallet and select the currency you want to send. Click on Withdraw for that currency. Open your Neteller account. Go to Deposit or Funding in Neteller. Choose the option to get your Neteller wallet address. Copy the deposit address provided by Neteller. Return to Binance and paste the Neteller wallet address into the withdrawal form. Enter the amount you want to send. Check that the network or currency type matches Neteller's supported deposit method. Review the address and amount carefully. Confirm any fees and total transaction amount. Complete Binance's withdrawal process with any required 2FA or email confirmation. Wait for the transaction to process and check your Neteller account for the funds. Thank you for watching.